Hello guys, this is Smit here, and in this video we'll be doing an unboxing and a first look for Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5. Now, Xiaomi has launched its Redmi Note 5 in this year with a larger 18:9 2018 like modern smartphone, and the software and the chipset remains the same like Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 with their familiar MIUI. So this is the phone you'll be getting if you are on a tight budget. This is a phone is for you, is for your requirement, and it settles in your requirement. Well, we'll be seeing all this in this upcoming series of videos. So this is an unboxing and a first look video for the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5. So without further wasting of your time, let's just jump right in. So first thing first, let me show you the packaging here. I just received this packaging from Flipkart today itself in my home. As you can see here, CCU, and this is my trusted knife. So let me cut off the same first. Okay, I know. It doesn't sound too good. Okay, here's the packaging. Packaging seems to be quite nice, quite premium, written here as a Flipkart, and some information. So rather than trying to cut this package, I just can directly take it off from down over here itself. 1 2 3, voila, that's nice. And here you can see it is written as India's #1 smartphone brand and MI branded here, Redmi Note 5 by Xiaomi. And something what I don't understand, and if you also do understand, please let me know in the comment section. And here again, made in India, here black. It is a 4GB 64GB variant, and as you can see, all details are here about product name, mobile phone. What the hell, product name is written as mobile phone. Product model is Mi17, quantity 1U, and further you can stop the screen and have a look. These are the barcodes and stuff. Yes, something like that. There's a nice looking packaging here. Let me cut off the packaging here little bit. Okay. Can I? Yeah, I'm successful. I became successful quite a less time in my life, and this is one of those successes, and I'll count it onto my chart. And again, there is a seal. Do not accept if seal is broken. Okay, so Flipkart delivers it in a packaged way. So if it is also broken, then how can I see if it is broken? I have to accept the product first, and then only I can open and I can see, right? Let me know guys if I'm telling anything wrong or anything stupid here. I'm back after a long day, so my excitement level are above the limit. Let me cut off this seal again. Put the knife in reverse way. I guess I could able to cut it off. My nails are not doing justice either. Okay, let me keep it, or let me cut it like happy birthday Xiaomi, happy birthday Xiaomi, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday Xiaomi, yippee. Okay, here we go. There is no much seal left here, and let me unbox it. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit, and then let me unbox it. 1 2 3 2 1 2. What the hell I'm doing, man? Okay, what's wrong? Oh shit, man, there is no such thing. There should be some documentation. Yes, here's the phone. Let's just keep this thing to a side, and let me see what we have here. Wow, a case. Xiaomi has bundled a case. That's nice. Let me see the case here. Okay, there's a black type plastic type case. There's a bumper case, in fact. Not bad whatsoever they are giving. There's nothing inside the box, and I'm sure guys you guys are not so much of interested to see the empty box. Okay, so after case, what do we have here? I'm getting a little bit of exposure problem. Yes, then the phone itself looks quite premium. We'll be getting back to this a little while. And there's some Redmi Note 5. There's something, volume button, power button. Yes, I know, and I'm not so much of interested onto this. There is something, booklet, saw information. Again, go to hell with this one. And there's a micro USB to USB adapter. This is a normal USB, not type C, as you can see guys here over here. This is what this is a SIM ejector tool. Okay, let me take it out because currently I'll not be using this with my SIM, so but I'll be showing you guys what kind of configuration it has. Is it a hybrid solution or the normal one? And Again, what do we have here? We do have, just let me zoom in a little bit. We do have here a normal styled adapter. I'm not sure what about the rating. Let me see. It's a 5V 2 amp over here. If you can see here, I have focused it. Output is 5V at 2 amp, so that shouldn't be fast charger. It should be a normal graded charger, but I'm sure it should support the fast charging since Snapdragon 625 does support fast charging as well. So let me keep all these things to the side and let me come to my phone itself. So here's the Redmi Note 5. Looks quite gorgeous. Initial feel, I would say, in hand looks quite nice. Let me take off this plastic. Yes, let me stick into the top of the box. And a clean black metal build. So that has been the Xiaomi's designs mainstream for quite a few years. A pure black body here, you can see. Wait, let me show you guys. Yeah, something is developed, designed by Xiaomi, made in India. Okay, there's a camera and dual tone, dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor, 2 antenna bands. Phone feels quite sturdy, quite nice. In front we have a glass kind of plastic skin protector. So let me peel out this as well. Wow, this gives one of those nice feeling. Okay, so here's the phone itself. Let me boot it and let me see if there is something, any juice left onto the phone. And you can see it onto the screen right now. And let it boot first, and let me do the first setup, and I'll be back. So guys, I have added my everything and this phone is about to boot. It is showing me setup is completed. I'm keeping it here, safe and secure. Let me show it from a good angle. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. Yup, it's in. Here goes Xiaomi's home screen, the typical home screen layout. First of all, I would like to say this 18:9 aspect ratio display looks quite good. And let me adjust the brightness, and I want to show you guys how bright it can become. So it can become pretty bright, and as you can see, my camera is only able to focus onto that bright display and nothing. It's getting background, everything getting black. So on that aspect, the display is quite nice. Let me reduce the brightness little bit and can show guys in a peaceful way. So there's a little bit of bloatware, I would say. Some tools are present here. Again, this back fingerprint and this multitasking buttons are the part of screen. Some tools again here, some Google specific apps, Google Chrome, Gmail, Map, YouTube, Drive, Google Play Music and stuff. Some Microsoft specific apps over here, and some more apps like Facebook, Myntra, Hungama, Amazon. And let me see if we can uninstall these apps. I'm not sure if we can, but uninstall Facebook. Yes, I want to uninstall. Wow, there's a nice animation while I'm installing the Facebook. Vice versa, if I want to uninstall the Hungama app, go here, uninstall Hungama. Yes, so I'm not very much familiar with Xiaomi's UI, because I mostly use a OnePlus device as my primary phone. That's OnePlus 3T. So I'm not very sure. There's already an update available, that is version 9.2, I guess, and I'm not sure how big the update will be. So stable, it's a 1.5 GB. So MIUI version 9.2 update is available. I'll do it later. So let me quickly go to the Google Play Store and download the CPU-Z app and can show you guys what's the configuration seems like. Yes, I want to use the Gboard. Let me download the CPU-Z. I'm on over 25 Mbps connection here. So let us check the speed over here. Now it is showing me download pending. What's wrong? Why it is showing download pending? Well, nothing to worry about. I'll download it in a real sometime. Okay, so that's the quick unboxing and feature of Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5. And let me show you the camera viewfinder, how it looks like. So here we open the camera here. Allow. Okay, what is showing? Remember photo locations. Yes, I want to remember photo locations. Let me show some settings over here. HDR plus. Okay, let me see some photographs. Okay, good. Let me turn on the flash and try once. Okay, good. Okay, so you tap it to take the photo. From where you can view the photo? I'm not sure from which way you can view the photo. Let me go to the gallery here, and you can see the photos that has been taken over here. So I'm sure the photo quality will be good. So I'll show you this in a full screen, and I'll take some more photographs with this phone, and I'll show you in the full screen for both front facing camera and rear camera, so you can have a quick camera sample shootout and camera sample, you know, idea how the camera should be. And I'll be updating you guys how the feature how the phone is performing, and due to each and everything it is going. Okay, so CPU Z app has been downloaded, so let me show you guys the quick configuration over here, what's the configuration looks like. So as you can see, this phone is powered by Snapdragon 625. There's an octa-core 2.02 GHz Cortex processor, and it's based on ARM's 40 nanometer architecture over here, and it's having Adreno 506 GPU. And here's 5.2 inch is a 1080 into 2160 pixels. That's a full HD plus, and with 437 GPI. And out of that 4 GB of RAM, we do have 1.6 GB of RAM available. That's about 40%. And out of that 64 GB storage, we do have 50.39 GB available, to be very precise. And again, 5.52 inches. What the hell, this has started playing at. And here again, the battery, everything, and the sensors. Xiaomi's are very good onto the sensors, so they does include all the sensor over here and is about. So that's pretty much. And before we conclude this video, let me play a YouTube video from my channel, and let me show you guys how the playback is. Here I shall go to my channel over here, and I shall type it to my name, Smit.chatter. Let me go to my channel here. Yeah, this is my channel, and I'll play a good quality. Yes, this is 1080p at 60 fps content, so this should give you idea how the video quality and video playback seems like. Let me adjust the quality. Oh my god, it is playing in 144p, so I have changed it to 1080p at 60 fps and can show you guys how's that. So due to 1080p 60 fps, the content is being getting played quite a nice and quite a good way. So that's pretty much for unboxing and quick look. And final, before wrapping up this session, I'd like to snap in this cover and would like to show you guys how it is. It fits quite nicely, but it is not so great. As you can see here, it is little bit of flimsy. So if you hold it like that, it is have I placed it in a proper way? Yes, it does give a little grip, but as you can see from this way, if you do like that, so it is little flimsy. So as you can see here, it is coming out. So if I'm holding the phone like this, it is about to come out like that. So never be dare to hold your phone like that. If it has been placed like that, always hold it in a good way if you are planning to use this with this cover. But I'd recommend you to change the cover. And lastly, before conclusion, we want to see the fingerprint scanner speed. I'm just tapping here. Wow, it's fast. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is a quick unboxing and first look for Redmi Note 5. So we'll be sharing the camera samples, as well as I'll be uploading very shortly the full in-depth review, so stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it. This has been Smit here with you guys, and you guys have a great day. Look it out. Bye bye.